In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and embed Google Maps to your Framer website. We'll walk through the process from grabbing the map in Google Maps to placing it inside your Framer project and then adjusting a few basic settings so it looks and works the way you want. Start by opening Google Maps in your browser. In the search bar, type the address or place you want to show on your website. This could be your office, a store location, an event venue, or any point of interest. Once you've found the exact spot you want, look at the left-hand side of the screen for the Share button. Click that, and a pop-up window will appear. At the top of that pop-up, you'll see different tabs. Choose the tab labeled Embed a Map. Google Maps will show you a live preview of the map, along with some size options. You can leave the default size for now, since we'll handle sizing in Framer. Under the preview, copy the embed code that's provided. This is an HTML iframe code, and it's what we'll paste into Framer. Next, open your Framer project. Inside the editor, look towards the top left of the interface and click the Insert button. A search field will appear. Type Embed into this search field, and you'll see the embed element in the results. Click and drag the embed element onto the canvas or directly into the section of your page where you want the map to appear. You can roughly position and resize it for now. You'll refine it later. With the embed element selected, move your attention to the right-hand properties panel. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Embed. Here, you'll see an option for type, which usually lets you choose between URL and HTML. Since we copied an HTML embed code from Google Maps, make sure the type is set to HTML. Then paste the code you copied into the field provided. After you paste it, give Framer a moment to reload the embed. The element will refresh and you should see your Google map appear directly on the canvas. If it looks blank at first, wait a few seconds or switch between pages and come back. It usually just needs a moment to update. Finally, use the right panel to configure any additional settings. You can adjust the size of the embed, its position, margins, and responsive behavior so it looks good on desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the layout, you're done. Your Google map is now embedded in your Framer website.